Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna look at some synthetic indices for you guys quickly. We're gonna look at some VIX75, VIX10, VIX25 and see what other VIXs we got over there. But before we get there, I want to go through some of the questions that I have received yesterday. Eva is saying hi, first time here and content is great. Thank you so much for having you. For coming and for having you as well. Hello bro, I really appreciate your videos and the content is awesome. Why is AUD correlated with stocks and USD CAD to oil? AUD is correlated with this, positively correlated with the stock market due to the ties that has with China. You probably know that on the Nasdaq you get a lot of technical companies. Most of these are imported from China. So when there's anything happening on that side of the world, it does impact the dollar index. However, if you want more detail on that, a quick Google search will tell you everything that you need to know. USD CAD, the Canadian dollar, also same thing. When the Canadian dollar, when the price of oil increases over the long term, that also strengthens the Canadian dollar index. Okay, but like I said, that is as far as I know and I use that. But if you want the finer detail, you can always just do a Google search and you'll get that information on there. Also, wanted to ask if you also do synthetics. Well, that is what I'm gonna do today. Commented 500 more subs to go, exactly, actually 470 guys, the best to ever do it. Thank you, sir. You are welcome. My apologies, I meant they won't be hiking at this rate for the month. I'm not sure if I'm able to send a link here. You can say your link in the Telegram group. It is pinned to that video. The comment is, you will get it there. So guys, this is the first attempt to making this video. I don't personally trade it. However, it's purely based off technical analysis, and which is probably one of the easiest things to read. All of this will be done on the daily time frame. And again, you need to apply the rules of the strategy that you use, because I'm basically just going to give you the direction based off my own bias over here. Now, the first thing that I can obviously see is we are trading in bearish territory, because what we have over here is we've got a market that had just broken below what we can see over here, right? So not I must probably get used to this. So what we have over here is we got a strong level of resistance. The market broke above resistance, came back, tested it as support. Unfortunately for support, it did not hold like the bachelor's degree of some doctor here in the country. It didn't hold, and now there's a problem. But we are back to test this level as support. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any arrows over here or anything that I can use. So I'm probably going to go with a, let's see what we got over here. We got a line. So I probably would expect this move down for now. We also have this impulse and that correction, but what I would expect is this market to just give us a U-turn. But the one thing that I also see is we got this completion of this W formation, and this was a perfect W that we can see. Market came back, test this previous level over here. So if you just go here, okay, I thought I could just reuse it. This level is the one that I'm referring to over here. We had a break of resistance, tested it as support. We can see that continuation to the upside. I do expect this market to pull back first before continuing slightly higher. And the pullback, I basically see the market pull back to this level over here. Unfortunately, I don't know where the arrow is. So if I can find the arrow, I've never did an analysis on here. So please bear with me as I go through this. So I'm just going to remove this quickly, but I do expect to move back to that level first before seeing the market continue. Next up, we're going to take a look at VIX10. Like, why is it called VIX10? Is like, is it only 10? This market is also, as we can see, that we have the potential of this W formation to complete. The market just broke above a very important structure over here. If you go slightly left, you can see this level acted as support. Market broke below that, came back, tested it as resistance. Resistance did not hold. The market broke above resistance. All of that resistance is now turned support. Now, based on where I stand now, I do expect the market to pull back slightly. Again, it would be very nice if I could just get a pencil, just like a normal pencil to draw. But any case, so I do expect this market to pull back hit this level over here, this previous level of resistance that got broken, that is now turned support before a continuation to the upside. And I'm just trying to see if I can get a pencil. Like, I just need a pencil, like just a simple pencil, so I can draw these lines for you guys. But unfortunately, I'm not having any luck. If you do know this, just let me know. I can get a pencil. I don't need the arrows. I just need something that I can basically draw with. But from here, I do expect a pullback to hit that level, then for the market to go and actually complete this W formation, because it did break above. Very important structure. Next up, we are gonna go through no, but I don't go. Yeah, let me just wait. We are gonna go to VIX25. Let's see what we got. That VIX25. Now this market is obviously going to continue higher. We've got very important structure that this market is about to go and find itself in right over here. Now we can see the market also broke above this very important consolidation phase that it had been trading in. Let's go there. There we can see over there, and I need another one. Boom, boom, and then there we go. Okay, let's see if there we go. So we can see how the market had consolidated around here, broke above that, came back and retested. You see the price action is the same, although this is synthetic indices. It's relatively I'm trying to get the abbreviation for the RSI. It's a relatively strength index. So this market is definitely going to continue higher, hit that level over there, and then from there I'll give you guys another update. And then last but not least, VIX 100. The only VIX I know is VIX Vaporub. Okay, this market definitely has to prove itself, because the first thing that we can see is this market is definitely struggling to break above or to break out of this structural level that it is currently faced with over here. Let me just go back. So the first thing that we can obviously see over here is, boom, this market is currently still trading at this level. Now this level acted as a support, resistance. So we got a market that's back at this level as resistance. Now the best way I would approach the situation is to obviously wait for a clear break and close of a daily candle above this level, like that. And then on the retest, I'll definitely ride this wave to the upside for the market to go and hit this previous level of support that got broken, that is now turned resistance. And that is the best way I can basically do it for you guys. This is the first attempt, first video. If you know I can get a pencil or even an arrow, please let me know down in the comment section below. If you have any questions, drop them down, and don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for your time, and as always, cheers for years.